Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to cancel an order on DoorDash. If you don't have a DoorDash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $10 off each of your first 3 orders over $15. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Then, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the menu, you will see an option that says Orders. Click on Orders. Here, you will see the list of your orders. Click on View Order beside the order you wish to cancel. On the left side of this page, you will see a Help button. Click on Help. Then, it will ask you what you need help with. Click on Cancel Order from the choices provided. Next, select how you would like to receive your refund. You can choose between credits and refund to original payment method. Click on the option you wish to select. Then click on Continue. That's how you cancel an order on DoorDash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.